early morning pisses for the boys. Not for the girls today.
Not for the girls today.
Only for the guys.
We're gonna prank some golfers.
Yeah,
got some
buddy.
fucking air horns. Hold on, let's see.
Man. Let's go. Y'all, they're gonna get cheese
Look at 'em, look at 'em,
today.
look Hello!
The boys are back with another video again. We're at the golf course today. If you guys don't know, it's a golf course in Hamilton. It's private property. You have to be a member to go on it and shit. So we're gonna go fuck with some rich and old rich people today. Blow the air horns at them. He came in clutch today. Brought the air horns. This rain is so annoying. Man.
Best fucking day for this shit too, eh?
But he said he hates his job.
Buddy said he fucking hates his life. Fucking rain, eh? You need more golf balls?
No, I got none. Bad idea to wear shorts in here.
Here comes the rain again.
Diego's bird watching. Oh no, it's just the trees.
Diego's bird watching.
Ready? 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 3.
Fuck off, you asshole! Come on out, come here.
Ready?
Get the fuck going, buddy. Fucking driver across the head, you fucking little goat. Let you out of the fucking nut house for an hour?
Oh yeah, bud.
Fuck off, you.
I bet you wouldn't show your scorecard, eh? Your wife wouldn't be too happy with that.
Go look in the mirror, you fucking clown.
Not a good day, bro, to wear fucking shorts and Vans into a fucking bush onto a golf course, bro. He was afraid to show his scorecard too, like, come on. Couple clubs on
A
him.
9-iron to the head.
Here, you cocksucker. Hey, cocksucker.